Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kylina, aka Kai, aka Cake Face Kai. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Vallejo, California. I'm like waiting for people to start saying stuff about Vallejo. This kind of reminds me of like one of those meetings, you know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys may not know me, and that's because I don't post very often, especially on YouTube. But if you want, go ahead and follow my IG, which is Cakeface Kai and Kai Lizzle. So I saw that James tweeted about creating his very own beauty influencer competition with 6 talented up-and-coming artists, and it's something I'm really passionate about, and if not, this video alone is already the start of future videos to come as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this look. Okay, before we get started, I'm just going to say that I won't be talking about any of the products that I'll be using since the requirements for the video is 5 minutes or less, but they will be posted down below in the description bar. So let's get a little bit into my makeup background. My parents, they've always been pretty creative. My dad would always draw like realistic pictures of people. Growing up as a little girl, my mom was a MAC makeup artist, so I would always sit there and watch her doing her makeup every day. It wasn't until middle school to high school that I actually started wearing makeup. I was in cheer, so I would always do my makeup for cheer competitions, and after that, that's when I realized maybe I really want to become a makeup artist like my mom. I remember watching makeup tutorials on YouTube like Jaclyn Hill, Manny MUA, Carly Bible, and obviously James Charles. That's when I kind of started getting more inspired to really pursue my dreams in doing makeup. And when I turned 18, the first thing I thought of was I need to apply to become a MAC freelance artist, like straight up. And sure enough, your girl got the job. Also, having my mom as a former MAC makeup artist, also I watched Manny MUA's YouTube video on how to spot the job. So I am in college right now. I'm majoring in nursing. Getting into the nursing program is kind of hard, and it's really competitive. It's a very impacted field. I just want to say that with all the support that I'm getting from my family and my friends, it's really pushing me to do more than I thought that I actually could. I want to know what is everybody's plan for the holidays, whether you're going to see your family, whether you're going on a trip somewhere. What are your plans this holiday? Also, while we're filming, I just want to say that I'm honestly looking for some mutuals. I want to start to get to know people more and make more connections. Don't be afraid to say hi. I'm really hoping for my goals for next year. I'll be more consistent with my makeup and videos as well. I feel like a lot of the clients that come to me always ask for something very subtle or very natural, but I do prefer like glam out there, a bunch of glitter. Let's talk about how makeup brands have been dropping some amazing launches lately. Kylie just dropped her holiday collection, and you know I had a steal. Well, I've already watched several casting call videos, and you guys are so talented. It's crazy to see how much the beauty community has actually grown in the past 4 years. I feel like the way that I do my makeup now compared to the past, I feel like I forgot to put on concealer. Hold on. I should probably eat something. I haven't ate anything this morning, and I'm kind of hungry. There we go. So I bought a couple colored mascaras from ColourPop. Fun fact, I started wearing lashes in the 8th grade, and you know what people would like say to me? They would tell me like, why are you wearing lashes? Like, you're only 13. We are almost done! Ah! Okay, so this is the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much, James, for the opportunity to be part of your casting call. You are doing amazing things. Keep doing you, sweetie. Like, we're here for it. Good luck to all of the contestants. See you guys later. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.